we continue in the My Apps window, where little by little you will see how all the applications you create appear. At the moment, you don't have any. To change this, select Create New App. Start by choosing one of the many available templates. If you're wondering what a template is, I'll explain. It's simple. It is a pre-designed app, fully functional and customizable, which allows us to work on it, editing its features and adapting it to your needs to make it unique. Each template consists of the selection of components that would make up the app: modules, services, and appearance. Selecting a template will simplify the process of creating apps to the maximum. Choose the one that best suits your needs and you have half the work done. In the case of King of App templates, before selecting one, you can click on its thumbnail to enter the window where you will find specific details. You will get information about the modules, services, and styles included, as well as the color palette applied. As you can see, a number of default elements are already included, but you are free to edit their content later. Before you continue, it's a good idea to understand the architecture of a template and consequently of an app. An application created with King of App consists of the three types of components already mentioned: module, service, and template. Modules provide all aspects of functionality and will be responsible for representing all the objects with which the user will interact directly with the app. Somehow, we could say that they represent the most tangible part of the application, since a module is an element that will lead the user to see, touch, or drag something in the app. It can be a YouTube video, a piece of text imported from WordPress, or any object generated by you in HTML format. On the other hand, services are transversal functions of your application, programs that perform some function in parallel to the natural use of the application, independently of the specific action offered by the modules. An example of a service could be a push notification or analytics. Finally, the aspect refers to the set of aesthetic issues, such as the colors applied to certain elements or typography. Before selecting your template, you can try by yourself, clicking the View Demo button. You will access a view that shows only the screen of a smartphone recreating the operation of the template. You can interact with it, press the buttons and scroll through the different menus. View Demo is a very useful feature when we want to get a closer look at what our final app might look like. Isn't this the adequate template for you? Click on Return and try the following. When you find yours, click on Use to start editing it. If you prefer, you can choose one of the starter templates. They are free and have only one menu and a few basic modules. The objective of this type of templates is that you are the one who decides all the elements that will include the app from scratch. After seeing this description, we'll go on to look at aspects of the different elements in more detail. In this next chapter, we will talk about modules.